If you've ever heard a bird outside and thought, what on earth was that? Well, there's an iPhone app that turns that moment into something a little bit like Pokémon Go, but for real wildlife. It's genuinely addictive. Let me show you. And if you enjoy iPhone tips and tricks like this, feel free to subscribe. I've got plenty more quick tips coming. So the app itself is called Merlin Bird ID, and it's completely free from Cornell Lab, and it will let you ID birds in your area. But here's a part that feels almost like magic. It'll identify the birds based on what your phone can hear. So tap onto sound and just hold your iPhone somewhere so it can hear the bird song around you. It listens in real time and starts identifying the birds around you as they sing, and they'll even light up on screen as it hears each one. So instead of wondering what's up in the trees, you can actually see the list appearing on screen. And once it identifies a bird, you can tap on it to learn more, to see photos, and to even save it to your own collection called the Life List. And the more you use it, the more it feels like you're exploring and unlocking new species wherever you go. It's one of those apps that completely changes how you experience nature. And if you enjoyed this, check out this video next.